This white powder could transform the dairy industry. It is real dairy protein, just not from an animal. Scientists make it in a lab, and it's already being used as an ingredient in cream cheese, ice cream, and milk. Unlike plant-based alternatives, this protein promises to match the taste and texture of the real deal, and without the environmental cost.
The sort of target audience isn't people that are perfectly happy with soy milk or almond milk or oat milk. It's people that just want dairy.
But is dairy grown in a lab too good to be true? Or have scientists cracked the code of a cow-free future?
We're in our bioanalytics lab. This is one of the most important teams in the entire company. What we're doing is making sure that the protein doesn't have any other sort of behavior that we might not want. We're actually testing the functionality of the protein in actual chemistry.
The protein comes from a process called precision fermentation.
And everyone's familiar with fermentation, at least in the context of making beer or wine. Like, you've got these little microflora and they're eating something like sugar and they're producing something of value for people.
In this case, the thing of value is whey protein, and it's the exact same kind found in cows. But this version doesn't come from an animal. The DNA sequence for whey is available online, so scientists can just download it. And they 3D print it using vials of synthetic nucleotides, the chemical compounds that form all genetic material. It's then mixed with microflora like fungi. These microflora adopt the whey DNA and start to multiply. Next, they go into a fermentation tank full of sugar, vitamins, and minerals.
And once you add some sugar, it's just that simple. They eat the sugar and convert it into the protein that we care about.
After a couple of days, the protein is filtered out and dry.
The science ends when you make the protein, and from there, it's an ingredient like any other that culinary experts are used to working with.
Ice cream was the first product the company launched. Technicians combine the protein powder with water, oil, sugar, and the desired flavor. They pour the liquid into the same machines that make regular ice cream, which means companies that use the protein don't need any special equipment. The team is also experimenting with other uses for the protein, like this milk, that creates the perfect foam layer for coffee, something dairy alternatives have always struggled to mimic. Perfect Day doesn't sell products under its own name. Instead, it partners with a number of different brands, some of which the company owns,